Hey guys, welcome to Red Goat Garage. Today I'm going to show how I made a speaker adapter for my 1951 Tudor Deluxe. I started by taking the speaker out, taking a piece of cardboard and pressing it against the studs to figure out where the holes needed to be. I then took that downstairs and made a template out of cardboard. Took that back upstairs, test fit it. When everything was good, I cut it out of a piece of plexiglass and mounted the speakers with the clips that came with the speakers. Then took the wires that came with it, attached them to the speakers, and soldered them onto a connector that was attached to an old Ford radio that I had in my basement that one of my neighbors gave me. It had both sides of the connectors, so I put this side to the speakers. The other side is attached to the Bluetooth radio that I have in the car. I then put some loom over it and some heat shrink tubing on the ends to make it look nice. And then took it outside, mounted it up in the car. And this is what it looks like under the dash, using the factory nuts that mounted the 6x9 in place. So come back next time, I'll show you what the Bluetooth radio looks like. I took a $20 swap meet 51 Ford radio, gutted it, and put a Bluetooth receiver, and used the factory buttons to control the functions on the Bluetooth receiver. So that'll be in the next video. Thanks for stopping by Red Goat Garage.